So guys, I wanted to do a quick follow-up with the 2014, I think it is Kia. So, I used my DIAGUN, closed the vent valve in the back. I got my smoke machine going into the purge valve port right here, because we know it was sealed from last time. I don't have the smoke machine on yet, just want to show you guys. Got the gas cap on. Got a new charcoal canister on here from Hyundai. See it, it's brand new from Hyundai. Nobody sold one aftermarket. I don't remember if I showed this, but this was the issue with the old one. I tried to fix it, tried plastic welding it and epoxy in it, but it keeps leaking out of these. Let's see if we can get this up right here. Oh, there you go. I guess the epoxy didn't hold, and this was really clean. It must keep expanding or something, because these got all corroded. You can see how corroded they are, all the fittings. The new ones are brass, these are steel because they're magnetic, but this all corroded and it started leaking out of the holes. Same with on this side. Oh, look at that, that wasn't there before. So this one like rust jacked. Yeah, that was not like that. Look how far out that one is. It's actually sticking out, like it pushed out from the canister. Crazy. So we're gonna come over here and turn our smoke machine on, and you'll see it. It'll drop down. And like I said, it's going into the purge valve right here. Well, not the valve, but into the port. And this will drop all the way down to 0. How fast that's dropping. Let's see how much gas is in here. We got more than last time, so we're just under half. We're down to 4 thousandths. This will go all the way down to 0. I did it earlier. Well, it wasn't earlier. It was like 5 minutes before I made this video. I wanted to make this, and somebody called me, so then I couldn't film it. I'm not going to make this video any longer than it has to be, so I'm going to stop it here. Hopefully you guys like this. See you later. So guys, I just got back to the shop with the Kia, and no check engine light. All the monitors set. We can go see if there's any codes, but I think we're going to be completely good here. Let's see, trouble codes. There you go. So the Evap canister confirmed fix. Just one that is in there. Hope you like it. See you later.